Hello everyone, my name is the Chosen One, and today is July 30, 2016. I'm recording some piston door. This is not yet well improved, but it's okay. See? Excuse- See that? Well, I'm making yet an improved version of it so that it's nice. For this video, I'm just playing randomness so that you can see me rolling around and be just watch this video. I have a sick today, but it's okay, just for you. Yes, you, just for you. If you don't like my video, comment in the description so that I could improve it. Today I'm gonna go talking to you while I'm recording a video. Today I'm just playing around. Nothing will happen. Nothing will jump scare you. Nothing. I'm just gonna go building a house. Just talking and building. So that you can know me better. Tell me in the description below, or tell me in the comments below if my building sucks, so that I will go to the police and I will arrest you wherever you are. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's a joke. Tell me in the comments if my building sucks. Including you, LJ. Yes, you, LJ. Including you. Tell me in the next video. I would like you to comment like an question and answer. So I'm gonna do it. Question and answer. I'm very sick today. Yes, you know, I repeated many hundreds times. So here, I'm done. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to comment